In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much does it cost to add a driver to Progressive Insurance. If you're about to put someone new behind the wheel and want to know what it'll do to your premium, here's the bottom line. There isn't a single flat fee for adding a driver with Progressive. The change in cost depends on who you're adding and how they'll use the car. Think about three big pieces of information: their age, their driving record, and how much they'll be driving. Those details help Progressive estimate risk, and risk is what ultimately moves your price up or down. Let's ground this in what the sources show. Aggregated estimates indicate that adding a driver can raise your annual premium by roughly $100 on the low end to several $1,000s on the high end, depending on the risk profile of the person you're adding. One widely cited benchmark puts that range at about $100 to $3,000 or more per year. That wide range is why you won't see Progressive quote a one-size-fits-all fee. Now, what are the key factors at play? Age is a major one. Teen drivers are statistically higher risk, so adding a teenager often causes one of the largest jumps in premium. Driving history matters too. A clean record signals lower risk and can help keep the increase modest, while recent accidents or violations tend to push the price higher. And then there's usage. Someone who drives frequently or is listed as a primary driver on a vehicle will usually cost more than someone who only drives occasionally. Be accurate about how often the new driver will use the car. Misstating this can lead to billing adjustments later. So, what does this mean for you in practical terms? If you're adding an experienced adult with a clean driving record, you might see only a small increase, or sometimes no noticeable change at all. On the other hand, if you're adding a teen driver or someone with tickets or recent claims, prepare for a more significant bump. The only way to know your exact number is to get a personalized quote. Review your policy details and run the add driver scenario through your Progressive account or speak with a representative. Have the driver's license information, their driving history, and an honest estimate of how often they'll drive ready to go. That will give you a clear, apples-to-apples figure for your situation. To wrap up, there's no flat add-on price with Progressive because every driver's risk is different. Age, record, and driving frequency are the big levers. Check your own policy for a precise estimate, and you'll know exactly what to expect.